Alright guys, hopefully this video turns out okay. Working with a new stabilization gimbal. Trying our best to bring you a little bit more quality to these videos. So today we have another square body. This is a short bed. It is a 305 motor. It has had a full repaint. And being really particular with a slight wet sand and buff, this will be a really good paint job. The video is not going to show it, but you can find little imperfections here and there that a wet sand and buff would take out, but it's moderate. Now this truck is only a custom deluxe. It is only a 305, but the motor has been refreshened. It does have an upgraded cam. It's sitting on factory style rally wheels with mud terrain tires that are in good shape. In the bed of the truck are some brand new front springs, and you can see how clean the bed is. It's not a bed liner, it's actually paint, which is pretty cool. They did the top caps for the bed. Sorry, kind of struggling with this deal here. But it does have front and rear aluminum differential covers. It is the non-double headlight front end, unlike the Silverado. It is a bench seat vinyl interior with manual windows and locks. We just posted this truck. We have not had a chance to really clean it up yet or go over it too thoroughly, but it, as always, will go into the service shop, to the off-road shop. But undercarriage is pretty solid. Rockers. Well, this thing kind of sucks for using a little bit, but rockers and cab corners, here we go, maybe that's better. Good shape. Bed sides, no bubbling. Tailgate, nice and clean. Very shiny rear bumper. Again, a custom deluxe. Looks like they did the emblems, all the stainless trim. I did notice that the window moldings have some dry rot to them, so it really could use a window molding kit and weather stripping kit. And again, sorry for this video quality. We will figure this thing out, but it is not working the best right this second. There we go. Maybe we just figure something out. Pop the hood real quick. Still got the sticker under the hood. It is a 5.0. Upgraded valve covers. Air filter. Appears to still be a fuel injected motor, which will be pretty cool. All the AC system is still intact. A lot of these did not have AC. This one does. Hard to tell on that. Looks like it may be a regular carburetor. The details on the website though will clarify that. Again, was just trying to play with this gimbal, so I got a little ahead of myself on this video. But clean under the hood, new battery, all the AC's intact. Obviously, definitely original red truck from the factory. And if you're really looking to go over the top and crazy, this bad boy right here will do it. This one's also available on the website. Just posted. These two square bodies just went online today. And they are currently our only 2 square bodies still left available. We are sold out. We've got 350 other trucks, Super Duties and other things, but that is a beautiful truck right there. And that actually was one of my personal trucks. And it is a 1-ton conversion. It is also up for grabs. So, check everything at davisautosales.com and davis4x4.com. If you're into classics, you definitely want to check the website because we've got some good ones right now, including that Bronco, which no, is not for sale. It just sold for $250,000, but the one behind it is still for sale, as well as the 70s model custom paint truck and a couple others. So thanks for watching. Davis Drives, Davis Auto Sales, Richmond, Virginia. Both sides of US Route 1. And check out our showroom videos soon to come. And we're going to call it a day here. The last day before the holiday weekend, Christmas. December 22nd in Richmond, Virginia, 2023. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to click and subscribe. We'll try to drop some videos over the holiday weekend also.